Ngayon naman, itatry natin kung paano gumawa ng palayok. Dito yan sa Sagada Pottery. Isa to sa mga highlights dito sa Sagada na pinupuntahan ng mga turista. First, you need to watch a demo performed by our local artist. Tapos, pwede mo nang subukan.
Sa middle lang, down in the middle. Push apart to widen. Release, let your fist. Keep your thumb. Same thing, slide up, gently and slowly slide up. Hold, one more time. Gently and slowly slide your hands up until the tip. Hold it there. Release, let your hands. That's a basic shape. The beginner shapes a hole. To make a hole, you push with your left hand. Release the hole, straighten, flip your thumb, push this part, not with your fingertips to the right. Push out. Maintain the pressure, slide up. 4 fingers, hindi lang isa. Yan, hindi dito, dito. Hindi na dyan. Use the wall of your fingers. Slide up. Hold it here to balance. Release. Hindi pa ganon, pa ganon. Slide mo. Flip your thumb. Push out. Towards here. Outwards, not downwards. Upwards. Push, push, push. Slow and gentle. Until the tip. Until the tip. Yan, may pasig lang. Hold it there, hold it there. Release your hands. Let your hands go. Saka, one last stroke. Outwards, gently. Slowly go up. Until the tip. Very good. Until the tip lang. Hold it at the top to balance. Hold lang. Release your hands. Good job.
Paano po din akin? Hindi.
Ito ko Mas rounder na mas
Yan, tapos na. Sobrang cool ng experience na to. Shaky yung kamay ko pero ginaid naman ako ni Miss Sigrid. And kung gusto mo rin ma-experience, 200 pesos yung demo and yung hands-on experience is for 100 pesos lang. Pwede mo ring ipasend sa yung pot na ginawa mo as your souvenir for an extra cost. Like, share, and subscribe!